Hello, my friends. Welcome back to ASMR Healer 2. Today we will do a short shadowing practice, something you can do anytime. You can do this if you are busy. You can do this if you have only 5 minutes between work. You can do this while walking or even before going to sleep. So here is how it works. You listen and speak at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat what I say. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to be perfect. Just speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Do you have a moment? I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. I have a small question. I want to meet new people. I enjoy talking about people. Everyone has something interesting to say. I feel good today. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel positive. I feel positive. I feel ready for my day. I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel worried, but it is okay. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. Talking helps me understand my feelings. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be patient. I try to be patient. I try to think slowly. I try to focus on what I can do. Small steps are enough. Can you help me with this? I need a little help. I'm not sure what to do. Can you explain it to me? Can you show me how to do it? I didn't understand that part. Could you speak a little slower? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. That was very kind of you. Thanks for taking the time. I am learning a little every morning. I'm learning step by step. Learning a language takes time. Learning a language takes time. It takes patience. It takes practice. It takes consistency. But I can do it. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Shadowing is simple, but it's really powerful. Come back tomorrow, practice again, grow again. I'm David, and this is ASMR Healer 2. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.